The old signage on the building was essentially just what typical signage is, a logo on the building. With the new sign, we created a standalone monument that's about 30 feet tall. It's standing at the corner of Broad Street, which is one of the most popular streets in Philadelphia.
It's visible and it helps people understand what services the Constitution Health Plaza, as well as Kindred Hospital, is providing for the community.
With this 10mm technology, we were really excited to put it to the test, basically, because we can design a clear image back on our computers and project it up on the screen. The foot traffic and the car traffic from every direction out on the intersection is able to clearly see and read the messages.
I was very impressed by the clarity and the visibility of the sign, as well as the opportunity for it to tell the story of so many of the tenants in the building. Previously, we had a logo sign that was located on the building, which was great. It was large and people were able to see this, but only if they were looking there.
When it came to signage, this was a hugely important part for the building. So for us, the digital option was obvious. We needed something that could update dynamically and change the message to demonstrate the tenants that are in the building.
The new sign that we have is, in my mind, much more visible and clear and located in a great location right on the corner of Broad and Passyunk, so that when people go by either via car, bus, especially our walking traffic, it's visible and easy for them to see. Also provides a great memory piece as to where the building is.
We've worked on interior signage, we've worked on wayfinding in the hallways, and everything was coming together except for the exterior part. So when we got that monument sign, the digital sign installed, it really just tied everything together. It's when the community started to take notice and people started to talk about the building itself. It was clearly an improvement from the previous signage. For the community around us, it's really helping unify it. This area is highly concentrated with local businesses and tons of people living nearby, so the sign serves now as a monument to direct people where to go.
I've heard positive responses about the sign from many of those around Constitution Health Plaza and in the community.
Yeah, and so the community has totally embraced it, the new signage. We've actually reached out to community organizations to have their messages included on the digital sign. So for example, we can advertise local events that are just down the street, or put out the message that might not get seen by everyone else. Now they can see it along Broad Street.
The success of the sign is that it unifies all of the tenants under one brand while allowing them to show their own personality.